hinihingi namin ay ito. Kayo ay mahal na mahal namin lahat. Hindi ba mahal na meron kayong sports complex? Hindi ba mahal na meron kayong aquatic center? Hindi ba mahal na meron kayong city college? Hindi ba mamahal na marami kami ginawa para sa barangay Pinuyan proper? Hindi ba tama yun? Ngayon, etong Readers Cup ay para sa lahat. Hindi para pambabastos o pasusin ang mismong sponsor ng Readers Cup. Pinuyan proper, Kapitana Piting, ang mga anak mo, ano na ang nangyayari? Sa amin, aalis kami ngayon na masakit ang aking loob at ang aking kalooban. Bakit? Dahil hindi kami marunong mambastos ng tao. Pero hindi tama. Pinuyan proper. Lahat ng pagbibigay, ibinibigay ko sa inyo. Kung sino man ang nag-uudyok sa inyo na walang yain, ang isang punong lungsod at kongresista, aba, mahiya naman kayo.
Let's be real. Being a mayor does not give you a free pass to show that kind of attitude toward people who are criticizing you. If you're a public official, you don't just get to lash out because people are angry or asking uncomfortable questions. You signed up for public scrutiny. That comes with a position. And honestly, when citizens raise questions, concerns, especially about government projects, flooding, and alleged irregularities, the proper response is not anger, intimidation, or confrontation. Answer the allegations, show the documents, explain where the money went, because the moment a public official responds with hostility instead of accountability, people will naturally ask, why so defensive? What are you trying to hide? And let me be clear, an angry reaction does not prove guilt, okay? But it absolutely raises questions about transparency and accountability. Kung wala kang tinatago, then answer the questions. If the flood control projects were legitimate, ipakita ang records. If the projects were completed properly, prove it. If there was no anomaly, then explain it clearly. Hindi sapat ang bastos kayo, hindi sapat ang galit, hindi sapat ang pananakot. The people don't owe you silence just because you are an elected official. You work for them. So instead of getting angry at the people holding you accountable, answer them. Because public office is not a throne. It's a responsibility, and accountability comes with the job. By the way, guys, shout out to those people who criticized the mayor. Mayor ba yun? I'm not sure. So you guys are finally awake and speaking up. So to everyone who spoke out, keep asking questions, keep demanding transparency, and don't be intimidated. Respectfully criticize, demand evidence, and let the facts speak. Because an awakened public is a government official's biggest reminder. You work for the people. And hey, pera ng bayan na nagpapasweldo sa inyo. Kaya umayos kayo. Yun lamang po. Bye.